Hi, this is Sean Stewart. Hey, I just have a question for you. When was that moment? When was that moment where you knew that you were doing exactly what you were supposed to be doing? I'm not just referring to starting your own business or getting that job. I'm referring to just in general. When was that validation for you? I had been working in the mortgage and real estate industry for quite some time, and I enjoy it, and I still have very high regards for it and passion for it. That's why I still do it. Um, I was working for a mortgage company in 2007, 2008, and that's when the bottom fell out and basically, kind of tore the world upside down. I got laid off. I had overspent. I was making a really good income and I was spending all that I was making. So when the bottom fell out, so did my finances and later led to credit problems. I had to go through that rock bottom to show where I was really supposed to be. I later, as I started to recover financially, I later started a credit repair company in which I started helping people with their credit. Years and starting your own business is just a big challenge and it's not easy. Years into the business, I met a family whom the husband was dying of brain cancer. The wife, had a job and was making a good income. However, the husband was dying of brain cancer, and as you know, medical bills are a huge expense, and they had piled up, and his dying wish was to be able to provide a home for his family after he was gone. I thought that was so awesome. He didn't have very long to live, so he hired me to help him with his credit so that he could buy a home. Well, fortunately, within 45 days, we had taken his credit score from a 570 to a 740, and he was able to buy a home. That was when I knew this is what I'm supposed to do. This is that moment. And so I hope you have the same and you could recall that exact time it was for you, and you could look back and say, and just smile and say yes. So anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.